You guys have spoken and asked for a hair tutorial 1,000 times, so I'm here to show you how I use my Bionic long barrel curling iron. Okay, so I part my hair in 3 parts, and so I'm going to leave 1 level down. I have 2 rows of hair extensions, so I do the first row, the second row, and then the top. So look at this cute little do. It's a heat protectant before I blow dry, and so I don't put any product to start curling my hair. I hold it with 1 finger and my thumb around the barrel. I am doing it on 390. And I'm gonna do S curls, and it's super quick. I love the science behind the ceramic wand. And so I just curl it around, pull down a little bit, curl it around again. And I'm using my thumb to open it as I pull so that the hair doesn't get stuck. And I do that until there's about 1 inch out, and then I hold it for literally like 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was a quick 5. And then to release it, I'm going to open it and pull straight down. And see how I left about 1 inch. And I'm gonna let this curl sit, because whenever you let it cool, it locks the curl. So you never wanna brush hot hair out. I'm just gonna do that again. Curl around, open, curl, open. I leave about 1 inch, curl it up. I'm gonna hold it, and then I'll pull straight down. The bottom layer, I do a little bit of thicker sections, because I'm gonna brush it and I'm gonna have 2 layers fall on top of it. So let me finish the bottom, and now it's time to put down the second row. So just take the top, and I'll just clip it back up. And I'll start the same spot, and as you can see, I have not brushed out that 3rd row. I leave all my curls to lock until they're completely cooled off, and then I'll brush it all at once. And that's how the curl holds and lasts literally for days until I wash it. I have to touch up a few hairs like in the morning, but I don't have to re-curl my hair every single morning. Love this curling iron. It's worth every single penny. To finish the second row, and then I'll show you guys how I style the front and the top and what products I use after I finish curling. Take the top down, and I brush the top, but I'm not getting the 2 layers I just curled. And I'm going to show you how I kind of fix the front. Starting on this side, grab the curling iron. I'm always going up. I start a little back from my face, same kind of thing, just a little farther down on my root so it doesn't stick out. Twist, open, twist, and I go a little farther down on the top, curling away from my face, whichever side. Again, I start a little further down, and I go all the way down at the top. And these are all curled. I'm going to use my Virtue Healing Oil. Just pull it through my ends because it's clean and I don't want to be greasy. So I kind of brush it out with my hand. There you go. There is a hair tutorial. Let me know what you want to see next. And you can shop all my products on my Amazon storefront.